Hey everyone, today I will show you how to check if iPhone is original or fake. And here's how it is done. Step 1. Physical check. Look at the build. Real iPhones feel solid, have no removable back, and the Apple logo is clean, not a sticker. 2. Check the software. Go to Settings, General, About. If it is running Android or doesn't show model and serial info, it is fake. Step 3. Verify serial number. Go to checkcoverage.apple.com. Enter the serial number. If it is invalid, red flag. Step 4. Test features. Try Siri, Face ID, iMessage, and App Store. No Apple features, not a real iPhone. And that is everything to know about how to check if iPhone is original or fake. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.